this is the January TOYL box, Time of Your Life. It is worth over £101 and this edit is called Fire, Ice and Sounds of the Sea Spa Box. Let's get in here. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fabulous today. Today's video I have an unboxing for you and it is this. This is the January TOYL box and it's heavy and it sounds liquidy. But yeah, let's open her on up to see what we've got. So this box caters for the more mature person. It does have lots and lots of skincare in here normally and makeup that benefits the more mature skin type, and I think it's absolutely amazing box. This box costs £39.99 per month, so it is not cheap. I do recommend that any age can get this box. If you want to start prepping your skin while you're young, definitely do that. You don't have to be of a certain age to get this box. Oh God, I can't open it. This is what it looks like inside. Yeah, so this edit is called Fire, Ice and Sounds of the Sea Spa Box. Okay. Definitely sounds interesting. This box is worth £101.24. So there we go. There is a little sneaky peek. Not much of one, but yeah, let's have a proper look. Back to the edit card. It has information on everything in here. There is a little note here, but I can't be bothered to read it. I'm so excited to get digging in this box. We're just going to get to the first product, which is this. Wow. So this is by the brand Rodeo and it is their Dragon's Blood Micellar Cleanser, and it is worth £33. This is what the heavy thing is in the box. I've used this before. It is absolutely amazing. It just says, so this is part of the fire in the box, but of course dragon's blood is a fruit and not a real dragon. Boo! Why do you have to tell me that for? I don't want to know that. It just says this micellar cleanser is perfect for the time of the year as part of a double cleanse. Use this to remove makeup and SPF before going in for a more gentle cream or balm cleanse. Yeah, it is gentle, it's hydrating, it's formulated with refreshing rose water and droplets of micellar oil to gently remove makeup and impurities. But yeah, it's got hyaluronic acid in here as well, vitamin B3 and lots of other little goodies, and you just moisten a pad and wipe over the face and eyes to melt away your makeup. I just love this brand so much, and of course this is a full-size product. I've never had this in a full-size product. It's always been a deluxe size, so it's really nice to get the full-size product. And I just love the look of the packaging too. It's just really striking. Yeah, love it. Second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sensory Retreats and this is a self-heating face mask. It has an RRP of £5 and it just says award-winning on a global scale. This is the first time we've had a self-heating face mask in the box. It's single use, so apply your favourite serum, lie back and let the self-heating mask soak the serum into your skin. Bliss. Yeah, I have had a self-heating eye mask from this brand multiple times. From all the beauty boxes that I get, I've had quite a few of the warming eye masks, but I've never had a full face mask before, so that is going to be very interesting to use. Yeah, I can't wait to lie back and chill out with that on my mush. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ishka, I hope I'm saying that right, and it's a shampoo and body bar. It has an RRP of £12 and it just says, how gorgeous is this? This bar is made with organic seaweed suitable for hair and body. It is award-winning in 2022. Ishka is absolutely a brand to watch. So this is organic and vegetable based. It says that the shampoo and body bar is formulated free from sodium lauryl sulfate. I've totally said that wrong, but still remains an excellent lather and features a high glycerin content, providing comfortable moisturising effect and pleasant skin feel. Enhanced with lemongrass, geranium, lavender, juniper berries. This uplifting fragrance elevates the experience to a natural, oh my god, it does smell nice, natural aromatherapy daily cleanse ritual. That smells absolutely gorgeous. And even if you're not into the bars for your hair and your body, you can pop this in your underwear drawer or any drawer in your wardrobe. That scent is gonna make your wardrobe or your drawers smell absolutely gorgeous. Fourth product we have in the box is this. Oh my god. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley, and it is their Elasitizer. This has an RRP of £37, and this one is Elasitizer Therapies. This is Egyptian, jasmine and mandarin, so this is going to smell gorgeous. I've actually done a video recently on the normal plain Elasitizer. I will link that video if you want to go and see that. I will certainly be doing a video on this one, definitely. I can't wait to smell it. We'll have a sniff in a minute. It just says all the benefits of Philip Kingsley award-winning Elasitizer, as well as the fragrance of jasmine and mandarin. Cult product, perfect to give hair a new year softness kick. Revive your mind and body with the uplifting fragrance of Egyptian, jasmine and mandarin Elasitizer. The perfect wake me up beauty ritual, leaving you with a bounce in your hair and your step. Expertly blended for an uplifting boost. Oh, so happy to get this. This was on my wish list after I tried the original Elasitizer out. And yes, it is not cheap, so having to save my pennies, especially around Christmas time. This is what it looks like, and we actually get a little cap in there too. That's awesome, really awesome. Oh, that smells gorgeous. It really does. Oh, well chuffed to get this. Wow. Fifth product we have in the box is this. So yeah, this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's a spa gel eye mask, and it just says say goodbye to tired and puffy eyes with the Brushworks spa gel eye mask. Designed with eye holes for minimal disruption, this heating and cooling face mask, well, eye mask, not face mask, can be used throughout the day for instant headache and stress relief. To use it cold, you keep it in the fridge, but do not freeze it. And to use warm, place in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not microwave. Yeah, I have one of these already, and I've had a couple of these actually, and I love using them. And what I love about it is they are reusable time and time again, and yes, either cool or warm. So very nice. Brushworks is a very affordable brand, and they do lots of different interesting products, and this is definitely one of the good ones. Sixth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Pawpaw. It has an RRP of £7.25, and it is a soothing natural multi-purpose balm with a hint of red for colour, perfect for lips and cheek in cold winter weather. Suitable for all skin tones. This vegan and pet-friendly balm is a multi-award winning and suitable for sensitive skin too. So this isn't one of my favourites, if I'm completely honest with you. One, I'm a bit bored of getting Dr. Pawpaw in beauty boxes, even if it's just the plain original one. I'm just bored of getting all of them. I have had a few of these red ones before. I've had a few of the orange ones before. And I find that the pigment inside of it is not even, or the ones that I've received in anyway, and it comes out a bit patchy. And if you put that on your cheeks, it is like just putting like an ointmenty balm on your cheeks, and I like to powder down afterwards. It doesn't go so well. So I mean, it's okay on the lips, but yeah, it's just not my favourite at all. Guys, so this is the January TOYL box, Time of Your Life. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a fabulous box. I am so happy with it. The brands in this box is just amazing. So we've got Rodeo. Yes, please, anything Rodeo. But yeah, the dragon's blood cleansing thing, bloody awesome. We have Philip Kingsley. Wow. We have the shampoo bar, which is, yeah, that's all right. Again, that can be multi-purpose, so if you don't want to use it as a shampoo bar or body bar, if that's not what you're into, like I say, just pop it in a drawer or your wardrobe, and it'll make your wardrobe smell nice and stuff, so that's cool. This is a handy little tool, the eye mask. It's so nice, especially if you're feeling all hot and bothered. You just whack it on. Or yeah, sometimes I get stress headaches, and depending on what kind of stress headache, using it either cool or warm helps. This, not bothered by at all, if I'm honest, so we'll just forget about that one. And yeah, the heated face mask, yeah, massive thumbs up. Even if there was only the Philip Kingsley and the Rodial in the box, I'd be happy. I'd be happy, because them two, fantastic. Yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the box and if you get it or not. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.